Hello, my name is Brent Whitfield, and I'm both a 13-year resident of the city of Lake Worth and a professionally licensed engineer here in the state of Florida, working with ADA engineering. Today I'd like to talk to you about some work that I've done with the city to help address some of the conditions of our roads and pavement here on the city streets. First, I'd like to take a moment to describe how a road is constructed. Each road in the city is made up of 3 layers. The bottom layer is a compacted soil. The middle layer is a thick lime rock layer, and the top layer is a thin asphalt. Each layer serves a different purpose. The thin asphalt layer is to provide friction cores for roads so that the tires on our cars are able to grab and give us safe braking and driving control. The middle layer, the lime rock layer, actually gives the structure and support to the road and holds the weight of the cars. The bottom layer, the soil layer, transfers that weight into the ground below. The important thing to note about this is that when you think of maintaining the pavement of a road, you need to recognize that that top layer, the asphalt, is protecting the lime rock layer, which is providing the support. So if you think about a road pavement as you would a house, the asphalt layer is like the roof, the lime rock layer is like the walls, and the soil layer is like the foundation. If you don't maintain the roof, you start to get leaks, and the water damage that occurs to the walls and to the foundation may cause you have to reconstruct the house. So the important thing is to address cracks when they form and repave the road in a way that prevents damage to the lime rock. Unfortunately, in many of the streets of the city, as you would see in Potholes and other locations, that asphalt damage has already occurred, and some of the lime rock layers have been damaged such that we have to reconstruct the road entirely.
As shown on the red line of this graph, the useful life of an asphalt road is 30 years if unmaintained. For the first 10 to 15 years, the condition of the road is usually very good, with some weathering and cracking starting to occur. The last 15 to 20 years, water finds its way through the cracks in the asphalt and begins to erode the lime rock base below. This is when the structure of the road begins to fail and potholes begin to form. As shown on the blue line of this graph, a good maintenance program can prevent lime rock base failure by repairing the asphalt when cracks begin to appear. By maintaining a street with repairs such as mill and overlay treatments, the condition of the road can be kept high. This approach is also less costly than allowing the street to deteriorate to the point of needing full replacement.
When I started to investigate the condition of our city's roads back in 2012, our first step was to drive down every street in Lake Worth with scanning equipment to collect data. Using software from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, we assigned a score to each block of each street. In 2013, the average condition of all streets in the city of Lake Worth was a 75 out of 100, or basically a grade letter C. Unfortunately, our city did not have the funding to make the recommended repairs.
Fast forward to 2016, and our analysis shows that the average condition of the streets in our city have deteriorated from a 75 then to a 68 now, or from a letter grade C to a letter grade D.
Working closely with the city's staff, I prepared a table detailing the cost of repairing every block of every street where repairs are recommended right now.